sinenkinga serious kwi-IFP. IFP is Inkatha Freedom Party eyasungulwa umuntu nakuphinda angene ngo-1975 njengoba u-2025 okusho ukuthi ihlanganisa u-50 years. Inkatha inabaholi abambalwa ababonakala bene-potential yokuba future, kodwa ine-challenge enkulu kakhulu esinayo njengamanje kuleli lizwe. Inkatha is failing the nation. Inkatha is failing KwaZulu-Natal. Inkatha has become the event organization. I've said it previously and I'm repeating it today. It's an event organization. Maungabuza ukuthi Inkatha based on their service delivery. Kahle Inkatha ukuba amaqembu ayanikeza umnyango into njengoba uyinikeza i-arts and culture futhi nakhona kwi-category uqasha ama-artist ukusho ukuthi kube u-general manager u-director ozobhekana uqashwa ama-artist KwaZulu-Natal into nje ama-special project. So into enjengaleyo-ke isho khona ukuthi Inkatha umntwana waphinda angene akayidalelanga abantu bakwaZulu kuphela, kepha wayefocusile KwaZulu. Lapho-ke abantu abakhona njengamanje ekhatheni bayibulala udumo. Inkatha imistake ayenzile umntwana waphinda angene ukuthi kulo 50 years angathembi umuntu isikhathi eside kakhulu kungekho umuntu who's well groomed to take over the spear when the hero has fallen. And leyo nto leyo iyodwa ikhombisa ngosobala ukuthi izwe lethu linenkinga engaka nje lokuba reconstructed in terms of economical system. Banga marupet na mahope na hama kuphela no Motsepe yindaba ongaqhamuki umbalo omncane utholakala multi-billionaire kulelizwe. Kwenziwa yini ungenzeki lokho? Kwenziwa yini ungaqhamuki umuntu osemncane okwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke okhombisa ukuthi kusasa we may have the bright future of young business people. Abantu esabazi ngesikhathi sobandlululo abantu abatholakala bephethe umnotho ngesikhathi sobandlululo namhlanje basawuphethe. Even during the democracy, 30 years of democracy, asinawo ngisho yedwa umuntu omnyama, ngisho nembimbi nje asinawo ngisho yedwa omnyama oright kuthiwa yonke into yakhe ihamba kahle uyingxenye yokuphumelela kwezwe. Sinabantu abalike kakhulu kuma-natural resources ezwe lethu aphethwe abamhlophe bese bona beba uface njengabo uMotsepe. And we are not fools and we will never be fools. Asoze samazithutha. And I admire a young generation because they can do research and they can make decisions and they can be firm about what they are talking about because they went to school. If your enemy call you to be together in university, you must go to that university and learn together with your enemies, and in that university you must outshine your enemies so that one day you can liberate and do away with a political oppression in our country as a result of the enemy giving umkakazo to our people, and you use that mkakazo to chala the next mbewu born the leaders that will lead tomorrow and the business people. So manje namanje kuyiqala elikhulu kakhulu lokho njengamanje politically umntwana okuphinda angene akezanga kahle ukuthi aphathedwa u50 years enkatheni emveni kwalokho bese zoshiyela ngudoti eshiyele nosodasi ngoba yikho into ehlabisa okunje. Even you can google uhlabisa ngayo yonke indlela namanje umkhanya kude kanye nohlabisa jikelele big 5 lapha aphatha khona akanayo footprint akanawo umlando ukuthi wawenzani. Angimzondi mina ngimzondelana nomuntu ngimbuka lapha kude but ngoba walifuna ivoti kimi njenge citizen of South Africa so wayenginikeza wayesayina incwadi yelungelo lokuthi mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngaye ngimtshele la bheda khona. He was no longer a father, he was no longer a community nduna whatsoever. He was admitting himself to the whole society and the community of South Africa to be criticized and to be acknowledged, and wakwazi ukuthi ashayelwe ihlobo lapha enze khona kahle. Njengamanje ke uyabheda, uyadalelwa. Njengoba ngangisho ukuthi wonke amabhalo yabo agcwele kwaZulu. Angazi into abayigadile. Kodwa iSouth Africa yonke inenkinga zobukhosi. Abantu bayasoka basekana amapipi bayafa ku-Eastern Cape, basekana amapipi bayafa ku-Limpopo, basekana amapipi bayafa kuMpumalanga. Uhlabisa ngabe ebheka zokwezo zinto ngoba zi-cultural zibhekene nobukhosi. Kodwa akazenzi, ayinakile. Indibuhlungu leyo nto. Ngoba uze national copter. Tholakala nje eshayile ihlombo uRamaphosa, eshayile uhlamba uRamaphosa negwegwe lakhe engathi strike shayishibobo ayabona nje into enjalo nje. So into wrong kakhulu into eyenzakalayo. Inkatha ke iyafa, and inkatha is on the dying bed. Iyafa. Ukufaka kwenkatha kubuhlungu ngoba ayimelanga kuphela ipolitiki, imele nesiko lakwaZulu, imele nesiko impilo lomuntu omnyama lokuthi singayikhohlwa la sibuya khona. Yingakho ngoba khona umuntu obotho nama-culture ey'koleni agcina kusekhona ikhathi. Leyo nto leyo ibuhlungu kakhulu and iwuhlume kakhulu emlandweni wabantu abawubonile umbala wenkatha iphethe kwaZulu, bawubona umbala wenkatha ikhokhoba iya ku-national. Njengamanje inkatha ikwazi uku-expela iphinde ixoshe abaholi abangamabhinca abanjengoMathe, abantu abakwaziyo ukusimela babe umbala wethu. Angikwazi mina ukungamvikela umuntu ofana nalo. We have been undermined, we have been put under the table, and no one have ever recognized us. Ma ngisho umholi uhlangana naye iqhule gijima wathi ushiwa isitimela, uhlangana naye iqhule gijima ehle kubala, yangichaza wena cabanga sezithutha hlula ngibona one simple thing ukuthi njengoba siganiwe nje shithi sisile and weseminari eyabela misona mina libunto belutho hayi ganiwe ngempela ngiyadlula nami nje bawo hawu nini mhlawumbe ngidresse lapha epharmacy ngibuka ngithenga amakhondom cala lawa ngithulele embaweni khala ngibuka futhi angithumele ngisho amabhodi kanitho niyela nina ngendlela nina enibhizi ngayo nikhwela istaff yonke indawo la nikhona. Uyangizwa Duma? Uyangizwa sihle ezikalala? Ngishike mina ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi lezi zinto ezinjengalezi sizazi, because you can't stand on the podium and fear stolen office. You can't be a leader who fears death and fears being challenged. Abang ukuthi uthenga abantu, uthenga intatheli, uthenga abafana abancane kokolwami abangenazo ukusizinza, abayizamela into zama-social media, ukuthi woza la mfana wami fana qaqala ukubona imali indawonye ugcina ngeinamba ezelotho nazo iround azithi the winner is 46 million. Eqala ukubona inamba zindawonye ebona ukuthi hayi cha kushuthi nakho lathu ngiyakhona kanti uwe uhlala wena mgodweni. Yakutshela mina uyangizwa thola sizwe, uyangizwa mbongolo eyibiza ngumfundisi, uyangizwa mbongolo eyibiza ngombishop, uyangizwa ngcono uyangizwa. Ngithi into ebalulekile ukuthi ukufa kwenkatha buhlungu. uMathe elinye iqhawe engalikhombayo njengoba ngisho ukuthi amahlamba alubukutwayo abuka umholi is a job well done. Ukwazi ukuya emphakathini, kwazi ukwangenelela ngisho isigaba esijulileyo sokuthi kusuke osomabhizinisi ogoli, kusuke osomabhizinisi kwi-private structure bezothenga ubhontshisi ejozini odayiswa omama namazambane estradini. leyo nto leyo iyodwa inkulu. Angisho ukuthi uMathe akalawo amaphutha. uMathe mina ngisiza ngalutho injaji. Umuntu uba ngibiza ngenono ngempela futhi. Yabo. Mina ngiyangazi mina ngiyaqonda. Njengoba ngikhuluma ngoMathe, uMathe kodwa akekho ngazi ukuthi it can happen that you can be set up by the municipal manager and the HOD and the director, or can be misled by the minister and the MEC. Kwenzekile ngelokudala sibuka one of my possible misleader. Kwathiwa thina shisizwe enjomanga. When they zoom in, they knew exactly what was happening. So into ebalulekile ukuthi njengamanje ngithi mina ayikwazi ukuthi inkatha la KwaZulu-Natal mangathi top 5 ngawa ngitulu nombolo 1 kodwa ngineshow ukuthi ku top 5 maye ngabanga u2 uMathe inkosi emeya uyobo 3 and the rest. Lokho kukhomisa ngosobala ukuthi timing yabo ayizange right during the stornoway to a local government when uMathe ephila inkatha eusuku nosuku ngawo yonke indlela. Mina bengimvakashela lapha ngoba bengifuna ukwazi yonke into ngokuwe yonke into. Ngibe nesono lapho bangimfica mina ehamba ngenyawo ecinga imbuzi yakhe elahlekela ukuthi ulahlekelwe yimfu ehambe icinga ngabafana ngimzuma ngamabomu. Mangifika lapha ngiyamthola kuhamba labafana okophaqa nabo futhi abanembobo futhi into eyibeka nje isange lemei siyabathithita manje. Ngayigqokile yonke le eish abuya igqoke ngithi ibhinqa kusale lehamba malathola isitolo esinefake negama ethize siyathenga. Yawu bakithi Mathe sono ngapha akho moto ecikile ukuthi mina ziphi imoto ayisiqhamuka imoto evene eluhlaza ethola amanzi ukuthi mina kuyiyona engafica ngayo ukuthutha amanzi wasemphakathini na kushoniwe amakhelwane uthi ayiyo zipho ezini dayi sithathile phela ngisangisela ukuthi imchulu hey yazi bengingazi mina ukuthi bengitshela ukuthi nginemoto so isikhathi ngitshela nginemoto bengingazi ukuthi kanti imoto kanti awuphiwa zona bengazi ukuthi mina imoto hezami mina ngithi ngizosala nazo cha zathathwa zonke ngathiwa ezisikhundla bengingazi ukuthi imoto ezisikhundla ayinamoto inhlobo emeya ende mangiqala ukubona isiphuphu kwesinje yana semeya kodwa masengalasithembi yodwa ukuthi usemhlabeni wethu honest elomhlaba lo onganakiwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uMathe nami ngumvakashela mfowethu ngenza isinto esenzwa kumina abanye babafowethu ngiphila nabo ngixoshiwe ukhosini namhlanje uma ngabe ungizwe ngapha ube ukhozi ngapha nileqhanesha njengoba ixala leyo nto leyo ikhomba ukusobala ukuthi umholi uyazana umholi akafihle emafusini. Namhlanje bekunecala likaNgwenzi oyisela lapha eMhlathuze kodwa ngoba yena ushintsha ijazi waya kwenye indawo wasupporta ulokhunjana uhlabisa washintsha umbombo wasonta umbombo umzimba ubheke isithubu sibheke kwenye indawo umbombo ubheke kwenye indawo ethi uyayivikela ngoba yonke le mesa bayenza lapha eMhlathuze oNgwenzi namhlanje bathenga amacala abucayi okweba. Leyo nto leyo ikhomba ukusobala ukuthi icorruption ingakanani and it has been officially charged kodwa ngoba inkatha ine tendency embi yokukhokhela izintatheli ikhokhele abantu ama influencers ukuthi bayiprotect ekuboneni kwayo bese ikhetha ama-artist lapha nalapha ifuna ukuba yithi ngeyithi ifuna ukuba umphakathi ngemphakathi yenza into engazi ngelinye langa ngeke ngikhale umuntu la uphinda ngena mayithathe efaka kubhaka efanayo ngoba wayengiyithanda ikhohlakala umuntu la uphinda ngena lento eniyenzayo ningayisho nemsamo, ningaya nemsamo Ntuli Ngwenzi Hlabisa, ningaya yini emsamo kaphinda nibe phekwe ethuna lakhe nithi mntwana konke sisakwenza kahle. Ngisacela ukubuza ukuthi ningakwenza yilokho. Ngithi inkosi yakwaButhelezi ephethe sengamanje umntwana waphinda ngene uzozifa. Ungabamukela yini bezoguqa phambi kwakho njengenkosi yakwaButhelezi? Bonke abaholi benkatha nezimeya zenkatha zizoguqa phambi kwakho zisho zithi njengezinalo umntwana nangu umntwana uphumzile eceleni, nangu umntwana uzozifa eceleni. Inkosi yakwaphinda ngene bethi konke sicela uhambe uyoshisela impepho. Umntwana waphinda ngene uma ngosuthi ugatsha Buthelezi uthi konke sisakwenza kahle. Ningakwenza ilokho? Yilo mbuzo engibuzayo mina. Uma lelizwe silimele ngeqiniso. Khatha lo phathi.